Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best soldering kit is probably one of the most exciting tools for anyone venturing into electronics, DIY projects, or crafting. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled a bit, choosing the right kit can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore what to look for in a beginner's soldering kit, ensuring you have the right tools to start your soldering journey with confidence and success. Number 5. Soldering Iron Kit, 60W, for electronics hobby DIY. This soldering iron kit is perfect for various applications. It's a must-have for soldering projects, DIY repairs, and electronics work. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit features high-quality components, including an adjustable temperature soldering iron. It has replaceable tips and a heat-resistant grip for your safety. This ensures durability and protection during use. You'll receive more than 15 extra items with this kit. These include a desoldering pump, solder wire, tweezers, and more. It's a comprehensive package for any project. All the tools come in a durable PU carry bag. It keeps everything organized and is easy to transport. This makes it convenient for storage and on-the-go use. Every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime customer support. This ensures your satisfaction with the product. You can buy with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This kit offers adjustable temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune the heat for different projects. It also includes a variety of bonus accessories, providing everything you need to get started. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit with all the essentials, this is a great choice. What people say. The iron itself works fantastic, heats very quickly. The soldering iron heats quickly and it has an adjustable dial for temperature. This kit also comes with an incredibly amount of accessories that I probably will never use. There are multiple soldering tips, wire covers, red and black wires, pliers, solder, etc. just to name a few. Number 4. Soldering Iron Kit, 60W, 14-in-1, for electronics repair. This is an easy-to-use, portable soldering kit. It's perfect for simple projects, home repairs, and DIY tasks. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The 60W soldering iron has adjustable temperature settings. It heats up quickly with a high-performance ceramic element. The heat-resistant grip ensures comfort and safety. This kit includes over 14 items, such as a stand, solder wire, and a desoldering pump. It also comes with extra tips and other useful tools. It's great for beginners and professionals alike. All the components are neatly organized in a durable PU carry bag. This makes it easy to transport and store. Everything you need is in one convenient package. Every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime customer support. This ensures your satisfaction with the product. You can buy with confidence. What we like. This kit heats up quickly, saving you valuable time on your projects. It's designed to be easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a user-friendly kit that gets the job done efficiently, then this is the one for you. What people say. The iron itself works fantastic, heats very quickly. The soldering iron heats quickly and it has an adjustable dial for temperature. It allows for very precise soldering of fine, read tiny, components. Number 3. Soldering Iron Kit 30-in-1 with Multimeter. This comprehensive kit includes all the necessary tools for various soldering projects. It's perfect for home DIY repairs, electronics, and appliance work. It makes your work easier. The kit features high-quality soldering iron, stand, and multimeter. The soldering iron has a heat-resistant cap and grip. This ensures safety and durability. It comes with over 20 extra items, such as a desoldering pump, solder, and tweezers. These accessories enhance the kit's versatility. It is a complete package for all your needs. All the tools are neatly organized in a durable PU carry bag. This makes it easy to transport and store the kit. It is a convenient solution for DIY enthusiasts. Every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime customer support. This ensures customer satisfaction. You can buy it with confidence. What we like. This kit includes a digital multimeter, which is a very useful tool for electronics work. It also features premium quality components, ensuring durability and reliability. If you're an electronics hobbyist or someone who needs to troubleshoot circuits, this kit is a great option. What people say. This kit allowed me to solder a cut-up LED strip to 22 AWG wires, my first time soldering in 25 years. The soldering iron works well. The voltmeter is excellent and everything else is just kind of bonus. Number 2. Soldering Iron Kit 80W with LCD digital display. This soldering iron boasts an upgraded 80W high power, allowing it to heat up rapidly in just 20 seconds. It offers precise temperature control, with a flexible range from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for various projects. The high-definition LCD screen clearly displays the temperature status. You can easily find the right temperature for each welding job without any guesswork. Designed with 4 ventilation holes, this soldering iron provides superior heat dissipation. The heat-resistant handle ensures comfortable and safe long-term use, insulating the temperature effectively. This kit is widely used for various tasks, including circuit board welding, appliance repair, and DIY projects. It's suitable for beginners and professionals alike, making it an excellent choice for anyone. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a soldering iron, multiple tips, a stand, solder wire, flux paste, and a sponge. It's a great basic set for anyone looking to start soldering. What we like. This soldering iron boasts an 80W high power output for rapid heating. The clear LCD digital display makes it easy to monitor and adjust the temperature. If you value precision and efficiency in your soldering work, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The digital LCD display makes it easy to set and monitor the temperature, and it heats up quickly thanks to the ceramic heater. With it, I was able to solder all those connectors within minutes. And it has some next-level features too, like an on-off switch, adjustable temperature, and quick change tips. Came with rosin, solder and different tips. It worked well for some tiny wires that my solder gun was too big for. Number 1. Icstation 3D Christmas Tree Soldering Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone over 15 looking to improve their soldering skills. It's a fun and educational project, ideal for STEM learning and after-school programs. You'll need some basic soldering tools to get started. Once assembled, this kit transforms into a beautiful, flashing Christmas tree. It features 36 RGB LEDs that create a vibrant and colorful light display, especially at night. It's a great decoration and a creative gift. The tree can be powered in 2 ways, using 3 AA batteries or a USB power adapter. Both the battery holder and USB cable are included in the kit. This gives you flexibility in how you choose to power it. The PCB board is clearly marked, making it easy to identify where each component goes. The kit also comes with a detailed English user manual. If you have any questions, there is a responsive service team ready to help. If some LEDs don't light up, double-check the component placement and direction. Also, make sure all solder points have good connections. These steps are important for a successful build. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for soldering practice, perfect for beginners to hone their skills. The RGB LED lights add a fun and creative element to the project. If you are looking for a fun and educational project, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Everything worked and the kids love it. Everything fits well and they are easy to assemble with basic soldering skills. The kit has high-quality PC boards and the components are also of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.